Even in an old car, it's sometimes nice to be able to charge the phone or use the navigation. On the other hand, this should be 100% invisible when not used. I had some components, including a needle roller bearing laying around, so why not over-engineer the mount? This is the part of the phone mount that will be stationary. There will be a swinging arm attached to the cylindric metal part. To hold the arm in position, 6 magnets are evenly distributed around the rotation center. I bought a standard MagSafe wireless charger, took it apart, and will mount it in the arm. I don't know how many magnets will be necessary to hold the arm in position, so I start out with just one. That wasn't enough, so I'll increase to 3 magnets. Still not happy, so I'll add them all. That's better. I'll mount the bracket to the metal subframe under the dash. First, I need to relocate the relay for the hazard lights to make room. Then I add 2 zip ties around the steel frame to mount the phone mount. The USB-C cable goes through a hole into the front, where all the electricals are. So there it is, and it tugs away nicely when not used. To power the charger, I bought a standard 12-volt to USB-C device. I'll take it apart and solder wires to the connection points. first one was easy, but the other connector is hard to get off. When it finally came off, it damaged the solder point on the circuit board. There were some large tinned areas on the circuit board that seemed to be connected to ground, so I checked with the instrument before soldering the wire to that point. Before going any further, I thought it might be a good idea to check if it still worked. I realized that the easiest would be to connect the wires to the wiring for the wipers. Turning on the wipers set the iPhone in nightstand mode, which means it is getting power. Perfect. So I went ahead and designed and 3D printed a new enclosure for the electronics. Then it's time to wire up the charger correctly. First, I connect the USB cable. Then I can connect the wires to ground and to the positive that runs accessories. And here it is, the phone charger that neatly folds away when not used.